Hello everyone, welcome back to David's channel, and in this video I will show you how to install FiveM on your GTA 5 on your PC. Let's jump right into installing FiveM in your PC. So installing FiveM or GTA V Roleplay RP on your PC. So you want to ensure you have the legacy version of GTA 5. So FiveM, this one right here, does not yet support the enhanced edition of GTA 5. You'll need to use the legacy version if you're installing FiveM in 2025. So if you're unsure, check your launcher or library. You want to go to your library right here. Where's my library? So this one right here, you want to check the version of your legacy. For Steam users may see both, but FiveM requires the former to work properly. So you wanna so if you're already done with ensuring your legacy version, you wanna confirm now your system where it meets the minimum requirements. So I suggest you to have the latest GPU and CPU core or a sufficient balance of RAM. So first, you want to go have a Windows 10, of course. The CPU must be Intel Core i5 or AMD or even upper or latest version of these. The GPU must be at least 2 GB RAM or 2 GB GPU or the latest one, but these are just minimum specs. For the recommended specs, here are this one. So I suggest to have the Ryzen 5 since it's like the latest and most recommendable version. And then after confirming your requirements, you want to download the 5M from the official website. Of course, this is the website right here, the 5m.net. And then click download client, this one right here. Then agree to the terms and service, and then the installer will begin. To install FiveM, you wanna open the downloaded version of this one. If you have already installed this one right here, you wanna the installer will auto-download additional necessary files, and if GTA 5 isn't automatically detected, manually locate your installer folder. So for Steam, this is the installer folder, and for Epic, this is the one, and for Rockstar Launcher, this is the one. The green highlighted font. Next is launch FiveM and authenticate. So after the installation, open FiveM from your desktop or start menu, and then FiveM will validate your GTA 5 license, possibly prompting you to log in with your Rockstar Social Club account. And then after that, you can now play. You want to join servers, use the play menu or server browser to find RP servers, and then filter by tags like roleplay, then connect. Some servers may require Discord integration or an application process. And that is the process of installing FiveM for GTA 5 Roleplay on your PC.